We all know how strong MCP is. In this video, we're going to create a simple MCP server using its SDK in C#. Let's get to the project. So here, just simply create an MCP, a console application, and I'm going to name it MCP Server C#. Let's create a project. We need to install some packages to be able to work with MCP. So I'm going to double click my project. Actually, I have the item groups here. I'm going to copy and paste them. You see that we have Microsoft extensions of the hosting. It's for hosting our MCP server, so it's going to run and we can use it. And Model Context Protocol, which is the main SDK for our MCP. Let's build the project so we can make sure that the packages are installed. Great, they're installed. So let's create a tool for our MCP server. I'm going to say role definer tool. I'm going to get a username and based on that return what is the role of that user, something that ChatGPT cannot do with our own data. Of course, you can read it from database or anywhere else you want. So it's an internal class named role definer tool. It's an MCP server tool. Oh, sorry. I'm going to say public string get role. I'm going to say an MCP server tool, and we need to write a description for that so AI will know what it's going to do. I'm going to say this method returns the role name of the user. Okay? So I need a string of username here, and let's add a description for it, which is username of the user. So simply I'm going to say return username switch. I'm going to say no role. It's just a simple switch case in C#. No role. Sean admin. I think it was like this. Yes, this is the syntax. Sean Bell, another admin, and actually Elon user, Satya manager. Okay, so this is our MCP server tool. You can add as much tools as you want for your MCP server. But remember, descriptions are very important because if they are not right carefully, AI doesn't know how and where to use them, and our application probably will not work as we want. So I'm going to back to my program.cs. Now I'm going to create a host for the project. I need my builder. I'm going to say var builder is host Microsoft extension.hosting .create application builder. I'm going to pass args, and now I'm going to say builder. Oops, we have a typo here. .services .add MCP server with Stadio server transport. That's add that's with tools. Where are the tools? They're in my role definer tool. Yeah, that's it. And finally, I'm going to say await builder .build .run async, and you can see that my main method is task now. So I'm going to build my project. Now I'm going to copy the CS project path like this. Actually, I have an MCP client project. It's a ready one. I've created it. You don't need to know how it's working. You can just clone mine, or if you want to learn how to create an MCP client, there is a video on our channel about it. It's very simple. I'm going to MCP Client. You see, here I'm just going to give my MCP server pass to this project, and now I'm going to run it. And actually, you can test your MCP server using GitHub Copilot in VS Code as well. It depends on you. You see, it needs a prompt from you. I'm going to say my username is, what was the username for admin? Okay, Sean. I'm going to say my username is Sean. What is my role? Let's see, is it going to work? Your role is admin. So I'm going to say, what if my username was Elon? Your role would be user. Great. Our MCP client is connecting to our MCP server, and our MCP server is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. There are tons of things which we can use. We can do using AI and C# together. We have created some sample projects in our channel and described how to do that. And there are a lot of things to learn in this world. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.